So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about WeChat. So for people that don't know about WeChat, so WeChat is just like 1688, like Pinduoduo, like the West, but I would say WeChat is WhatsApp version. So it's like a WhatsApp version for all these app guys. And if you haven't been using WeChat, you are missing out, because on WeChat too, you can't get scam. Yes, you can't get scam if you make an online payment, because you can also make online payment on WeChat. So as you can see, these are the people that have done business with on WeChat. So as you can see, this person has sent me some money before. As you can see guys, so I do a lot of transaction on WeChat too. So let me check my WeChat pay. So as you can see here, there are a lot of transactions, because I do use, like, I can use WeChat pay to pay on Pinduoduo. So as you can see here, let me show you something. So you can see, as you can see, this is the Pinduoduo app. So which means like I use my WeChat pay to pay on Pinduoduo. So you can use your Alipay and you can use your WeChat pay, but I use my WeChat pay mostly on Pinduoduo because WeChat pay is very cheap compared to Alipay. Because now let me just say the current rate is like, let's just say 215, but if it is WeChat pay, like, you might be getting your yuan for 190, sorry. So you can see the gap, that's like 15 naira saved. So that is why I do use my WeChat pay on Pinduoduo. But if I don't see WeChat pay, then I will use my Alipay. So on this app, there are a lot of features that I'm going to be showing you on how to use, guys. So let's go to me right here, which is here. I click there. So when you're on this tab, so you can see this pay and service. You see this pay and service, guys. So let's click on it. So when I click on it, guys, so as you can see here it shows my wallet. So this is the amount I have on my wallet, which is like 0.48 rand. So for you that you haven't verified your WeChat with international passport, because you also need international passport to verify your WeChat. But if you don't have your international passport, you can still use your WeChat. It's just that you will be using it to chat your supplier, and then like use it to verify your, like use it to verify another WeChat. Because on WeChat you can only verify, like, old user can only verify new user. You cannot create a new account on WeChat. It is impossible. Like, just create an account and just have an account. It is impossible. It is an old user that will how to verify you on WeChat. So that is how WeChat works, and that old user must be on the app for like minimum of 3 months. So that's just it. And old user can only verify one person in 3 months. So it is not like that before, but that's how it works now. So WeChat have upgraded and all. So one person can only verify one person in 3 months. So now let's go back. So like I said, guys, if you are verified with your international passport, that is how you can use your WeChat to pay on Pinduoduo, and you will have, like, you'll be buying yuan for cheap. But if you haven't, it's okay, guys, you can just use it to verify and all. So that's what. So the next thing I want to talk about is discovery. So if you come to this discovery right here, you can see here, so sorry, if you come to this discovery right here, there's something we called movements. You see this movement, just click on it. So WeChat displays in English, guys, so you can just see everything yourself. So movement is like, let me just say, movement is like WhatsApp status, that you are going to be seeing people's status and all. So these are like my supplier I have on my WeChat that I already saved their number and all, and they have my number saved too. You can see I asked for how much is it for this laptop. Sorry, let me go back. For this, sorry, what's wrong? Sorry guys, let me try it again. Oh, I don't know why it's moving, but I asked for how much here for this laptop. So let me just scroll back. You can see here, please, I mean, how much is it? So that's just it. You can see here different laptops, different phones. So I have supplier for laptop and I have supplier for phone, and all these are used phone and laptop, and these are like original phone. Don't think it is like Chinese phone or anything. So these are not clone, these are like original. So this person sell Google phone, iPhones and all. So that's all. You can see S23 plus 256 gig. So this Samsung S23, guys. So I can get all this phone from, you can see even iPhone 6X, guys. You can see. So all these are used phone, just like here in Nigeria at Ikeja. So Ikeja is where you will get your phone. So that's just it, like get used phone, swapping and all. So that's just it. This person just sell used phone, and this person sell used laptop. So that's just how it is. So if you have a supplier that save your number, then you are going to be seeing the supplier status and all, which is like movement. So now let's go back. Now we are done with that. The next thing is you can actually find supplier on WeChat too, just like 1688 or Pinduoduo. Yes, you can find a legit supplier on WeChat too. So how can you do that? You see this search right here, just click on it. Now let's click on search. So yeah, let's just find like a random supplier. You can see I look for some supplier here. You can see pencil supplier, because I once have someone that wants to buy pencil. In fact, let's just use it. So let's search for pencil supplier. So as you can see, all these places right here, so you don't really need all these things. So these are not what you need. The next thing is just go to this account right here. Let me click on it. You see this account, go on account. So let's click on account, guys. So as you can see here, Cassis Skychos. So let's click on it. So this person will be selling like pencil and all. So as you can see here, it just look like TikTok, right? Yes, that's the power of WeChat, guys. I love WeChat a lot. So as you can see here, this person sells like school stuff. So let me click on this video over here. You can see this person, this is ruler. You can see ruler, guys. It says you can print about 20,000 pieces per day. So that's just how it works, guys. So you can see here there are a lot of other things like school stuff. You can see here, see this pencil, guys. So you can see this pencil, eraser and sharpener. All these things like cost way less, guys. You can see the skitters. So now if I just want to message the supplier, guys, what I just need to do is I'll just follow the supplier and just message. You can see here, click on message. I just say hello you see China private message security agreement to ensure community safety and protect your rights. Your private interaction in channels may be recorded. You can see, got it, guys. You can just say hello my friend, hello my friend, hello my friend, how much is pencil, how much is pencil? You can see. So that's how to find supplier. You cannot send it until the user reply, because I already have a hello my friend, so the person has to reply before this message can go through. So that's just how it works. So now since we are done with that, so that's how to find supplier on WeChat, guys. So if it's another thing, just search the another thing and just come to this account. It will show you like different account that sells it. So that's just how it works. So now let's go back again. So let's go back. Now you see this contact. This contact means people in your contact list that you saved, you understand, but they have WeChat account. So these are the people in my contact list that have WeChat account. Wow, I remember this. Oh yes, you remember when I told you that, like, if you are not new to this channel, I do told you that I started selling watch first. This is my supplier, Vavavoom. So this is the name of the watch I was selling then. So this was my supplier then. You see, this was my supplier. Let me see if we still have our chat, guys, because I already changed my phone like multiple times, because I've been using this WeChat in like 3 or 4 years. Oh, so the message is not there. So this was my supplier then. So this is the person that I do get my wristwatch from. So that's it, guys. So anything you do, like if the supplier have replied now, the message will come here, because that's just like a request. You understand? That's like me sending a friend request. So that's how it is. So if the supplier reply, it will come to this section right here. What else I haven't read? Oh, the next thing is how to verify WeChat. So if you want to verify WeChat, just come to this arrow right here. Just click on it. You can see here, you see this scan. Just click on scan, and then you see, let me just click on it, guys. and then come to album. So when you come to album, guys, you will have saved the QR code of the person you want to verify his or her WeChat. Then you just like click on it. So when you click on it, guys, it will scan, and if you are eligible, it will tell you that you will scam the person successfully. So that's how to verify WeChat on that's how to verify another WeChat. So that's it. And if you want to add contact here, just click on add contact and just add the person contact. You understand? You see here, search for account number and everything. So just put the account number here and it will bring the person's account. Just click on it and send a friend request. So it is not something complicated. So if you want to verify WeChat, so this is how the QR code will come, guys. So just scan the QR code and that's just it, guys. So that's just I've literally covered everything on WeChat, guys. But if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, guys. And thank you for watching. See you next time.